Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Melvia Viana, so you can call me Melvia. In this video, I will tell you or I will explain about introduction to interpreting. So, what is interpreting? What is translation? What is the difference of translation and interpreting? You can know or you can learn in this video with me. So let's go to the video. Interpreting is known as one of the most popular branches of translation studies. The basic difference between translation and interpreting is that translation refers to a written practice, while interpreting is an oral practice or is an oral form of translation. This basic difference leads to distinctions in its modes, types, strategies, as well as code of ethics. Next is the history and development of interpreting studies. Many experts believe the interpreter is one of the world's oldest professions. Truth is it's difficult to trace the history of early interpreting activities. The assumption that interpreting belongs to one of the oldest profession in the world is due to the use of oral activities in transferring message from one tribe to others. Next is the difference of interpreting and translation. The main activity of both translation and interpreting is transferring meaning from one language to other. Now, the basic difference between these two forms of language transferring is that translation refers to written activity, while interpreting is refers to oral or spoken activity. Nah, jadi kalau translation itu bentuknya tertulis atau written, kalau interpreting itu oral, yaitu apa ya, or spoken. Jadi kayak ngomong langsung itu namanya interpreting, kalau kita nulis atau nerjemahin itu namanya translation. People who do translation it's called translator, and people who do interpreting is called interpreter. A translator should be excellent in reading and listening skills. On the other hand, interpreter it should be excellent in listening and speaking skills.